I am Amit Verma. I stay nearby, near the Four Bungalows Church. And I'm here at Physioline. I had all these problems in my back and my leg. And life was becoming pretty tough because every day, daily activities, I couldn't focus on even the smallest of activities because there was severe pain in the back and my feet were feeling very heavy, the root cause of which was back pain. Searching for a good physiotherapy clinic, and I've been to many clinics before, 8 or 9 of them, and none of them were satisfactory because I believe the physiotherapy clinics are not so good in Mumbai city. I mean, even in Delhi they are not so good. This is a one field which is where we are lagging behind because physiotherapy techniques are very outdated. I've noticed, and I've been to clinics and the machines are not so good in all the clinics. I've been to 8, 9 of them, and then I was passing by this road and I saw a huge banner of Physioline, and I do research before I start anything. So on Google I read about this clinic and they are pretty experts in this physiotherapy line, and surprisingly it's a very different place from the other physiotherapy clinics because the machines are very advanced. They're all imported from Japan, America, Australia and all that. And the place is wonderful. It's very different from all the other physiotherapy clinic I've been to. And service is fantastic. I was taken good care. I've done 40 sessions here and each and every session was a pleasure to be there. I was operated under an expert and a very warm and caring doctor. It was really bad because if I was sitting at home, I was fine, there was no problem. But the moment I used to walk for more than 30 minutes, say if I walk for 1 hour on the road, or if I stand for more than 30 minutes at one place, then my condition used to become very horrible. I couldn't walk, I felt extreme heaviness in my feet, pain in my back. The feet problem was horrible. But the root cause was back only because it was a pain which was there since years and years on my back. Since many years the pain was there. I came here. I thought it's something related to something in the feet, but when the doctor diagnosed it's the root cause is the back. There was problems in the back, and yeah, that was my situation when I came here. I did go to 7, 8 doctors before. Some of them were normal ones, some of them are really good ones in big hospitals, but nothing worked out as good as this because, like I said, experience was not so good. The machines were outdated and it was more based on exercise and stuff, which do affect you, but not in the long. It doesn't really go deep to the problem. It's a superficial thing, exercises. If you do just exercises, they don't cure the root problem of the body. Here, the exercises were given towards the end of the session, but main thing we focused. The best thing was that we went to the root of the problem over here. We did some tests, and it was not that we just started off, but we diagnosed the problem first, and then we started the cure. So that was a very good experience. Happy. I would have done more classes, but right now I have to start a project and I wish I could have done 15-20 more classes. I really wish. I'm very happy with the results and very happy with the experience. I just wish I could have attended more sessions. Absolutely fantastic. This place is good and I would definitely recommend it to my family and friends. I think they have a cure for every problem which can exist in the human body, and I'm sure practically every problem of the body any kind of pain can be sorted out in this clinic. They have got all the best machines. Fantastic. I think it's an absolutely 10 out of 10 perfect. It's an absolutely amazing experience. Absolutely. It's a wonderful place, like I said. I'm fully satisfied. I want to come back for more. I guess that says it all. Definitely, because it's always a good thought, it's always a good line of action to solve the problem before the problem becomes severe in your body, and then it will cause you more pain, more expense to cure it. Like I said, I think every problem can be solved over here. I'm very confident of this, and I've seen their machines, I've seen how they work. Every problem under the sky can be solved. The best thing is to prevent it before it becomes serious. So I think in very early stages the patients should definitely opt for this option. What to say about him? I've spoken to him so many times. He's just a wonderful person, and he's a great guy. He's very helpful, always there for you. He's very patient. That is a hallmark of a good doctor. He's never in a hurry. He listens to you. That is the best thing which can happen to you. He's always there to talk to you, to listen to you, and I'm very happy with Dr. Bakshi. He's always been there for me, always answered all sorts of questions I had in mind. When I came here at the starting, I was very skeptical about certain things because I had undergone bad experiences in physiotherapy, but he comforted me. He had the confidence in him that he can solve any sort of problem, which I could see from the very first day. He had that immense confidence in him. That was really cool, because very comforting, because that is what a patient expects from a doctor. His confidence was amazing, and he finally proved to me that what he said was absolutely right. Yeah, definitely, because I think the best message I can give is that try for Physioline first, because I am a living example. I'm not hearing it from a third party and telling all this. I'm a living example. I have gone through the whole thing, the pain, the heaviness. I definitely believe you can try. The results start pouring in very soon. I highly recommend Physioline to every patient, because from my personal experience, I've been to many physiotherapy clinics, and I really wish I could have. I knew about this clinic 2-3 years back, and I really wouldn't have wasted so much time and money in other clinics. So I would definitely ask any patient, I will just say, come and try it for yourself. I'm a living example. I know I've gone through amazing changes. You can go through them too, and try at least once. There's no harm in trying, because unless you try, how will you come to know what's good and what's bad? And I think this is not good, but just an absolutely par excellence place.